It learns without a teacher, thinks without a brain, and it can be wrong with total confidence. Welcome to episode 6 of AI Awareness series, created purely for learning and awareness. AI is created by humans, has limitations, and should be used responsibly with verification. You know how a farmer's child learns to spot a ripe mango? Not from a book, but by seeing many mangoes, making mistakes, and getting better. AI learns in a similar way, but instead of eyes and a brain, it uses math. Unlike humans, it has no lived experience or true common sense. It does not understand a mango. It recognizes patterns. That's why it can be confidently wrong, like identifying a plastic mango as real. At the core are tiny switches, simplified decision points built from mathematical equations. Each one asks, "Is this important?" and passes the answer forward. These switches are arranged in layers. Early layers detect edges. Next layers combine them into shapes. Deeper layers recognize patterns, like a round orange object. Connections have weights, like importance scores. AI learns what to focus on and what to ignore. Information flows forward, layer by layer, and the network makes a prediction, often inaccurate at first. When the prediction is wrong, mathematical rules adjust the system, like a teacher correcting mistakes. Adjust, try again. This repeats thousands, even millions of times, and predictions improve. But AI learns from human data. If the data is unbalanced, the system can reflect those patterns. Some systems have shown uneven performance across groups when data is limited. Earlier facial recognition was less accurate on darker skin tones, showing why diverse data matters. Human oversight is essential. Training large AI systems can require significant electricity. Newer methods are improving efficiency, but energy use remains important. Used wisely, these systems are powerful tools for doctors, farmers, students, and more. Neural networks do not understand meaning. They recognize patterns. They improve by adjusting, refining, and repeating, turning data into predictions. Not human intelligence, not magic, just mathematics, and always worth verifying when it matters. This material is educational. Consult qualified experts for professional advice. In the age of AI, awareness makes the difference. In episode 7, we build a tiny neural network together and watch it learn. Thank you for being here.